Hi there, Joe here. So I want to talk to you today about why I chose in the ground gardening over raised bed gardening. So the first thing is cost. With the raised beds, either you have to purchase the raised beds or you have to buy materials and build the raised beds, and then you're going to have to purchase garden soil to fill the raised beds. So my suggestion for people who are just starting out is to pick a small area, get your shovel, dig the area, turn the soil over, loosen it. You can add some fertilizer or some dehydrated cow manure to amend the soil, and then plant your plants and see how you like gardening. With my garden, it started out small, and over the years, it's more than doubled in size. In the past 2 years, I put up a fence, so it's as big as it's going to get. As I mentioned before, you can use natural items to amend the soil. So you can use leaves, compost, any animal manures like dehydrated cow manure. And over the years, if you keep amending the soil every year, your soil will continually improve, which is a big advantage for in the ground gardening. So I hope that this is helpful and happy gardening. If you're new at gardening, good luck with it. I hope you like it. Take care.